welcome to cryssberry reviews and tips once again. So today we are going to see a very useful product, especially for women and kids when you travel by road or go camping. So especially when you travel by road for a long distance on the highways, you don't get to find too many washrooms or restrooms, right? So in such cases, when you want to use the toilet or you want to change your clothes, it becomes really difficult, right? So this product comes really handy and useful during such times. So let's go into the video. So the tent comes folded in a convenient bag like this. So let me open the tent and show you. Simply open and release it like this. So to open it fully, just put it on the ground and just pull it up like this. And that's it. The tent is ready. This is almost a lifesaver when you go camping or when you go to the beach and you want to change your clothes after bath. Now to enter the tent, you just have to open this zip. The height of the tent is almost 189 centimeters. So it's more than 6 feet in height. They also provide these 4 aluminum stakes for stability so that you can fix the tent on the ground. And the tent also has a small pouch like this inside. You can tie a rope here for hanging clothes. So when you go to a beach and you want to change your clothes, it becomes really useful. So there's a zipper opening on the top, so you won't feel suffocated just in case. This tent can be closed from inside or outside as well. It has two-sided zipper. So now let's see how to fold the tent after use. First, just fold it into 2 like this. Then place it on the ground and just fold it into half. Let me show you from the other side also. Folding is only the tricky part here, so just practice it before you take it outside. You see it? That's it. You can put it back into the bag. And you can simply carry it easily like this, like a backpack. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. So if you wish to buy this product, please check the link in the description box and see you soon in another useful video like this. Until then, bye.